So, another week, another journey. Let's see how it goes. So, wait a minute. Is this filming? Yes. So, I finally got this one. This is for the parts of the Dominator. I was waiting for this piece of paper, okay? And I finally got it, so I'm really happy. So, voila. That's for the aduana. When you get the package from a company, from another country, most of the times you need to pay a fee. So, voila, finally. So yeah, I paid it already. So hopefully this week or at the beginning of next week I get it, and then I can move on with the Dominator. That would be really nice. So yes, now let's get on with the Bonneville. Check what's going on with the clutch. Let's see, because the first gear was rattling a little bit. It might be that the clutch doesn't engage fully. So let's try first that, and if it keeps on going, then I will need to open the gearbox and just check the gears. Yes. So let's go. Another day, another journey. So let's go. The Bonneville gearbox. Let's check what's going on with the first gear. That, and then test ride. And when I'm done with that, then let's see. Because tomorrow I'm gonna start to work on a new project that I was holding on until now. But now it's time to start to do some fabrication on it. Yeah, it's gonna be another Dominator, a 650. That here I have the engine is completely done already. As you can see, okay. And here is the gearbox. So it has been done. Somebody else did it. Norton works here in the Netherlands. And yeah, now it's time to start to align the frame. That's gonna be tomorrow, and after that I need to do some fabrication, like clean up the frame because somebody wrote a few stuff that they shouldn't be there, and build some stuff on the frame so we can put the oil tank and da. So yeah, I'm excited about that, and yeah, let's see. But that's gonna be like a slowly going on the background. I will film it, of course, but it's not a main priority. The main priority right now is the Velo and the trophy, well, the Bonneville, sorry, and the Dominator. Those three are the main thing, and then those is gonna be happen. It's like the 850, the 850 that I have right now. I'm just working on it, but slowly. I could put more hours on it for sure. But first I want to pull those three projects out of the garage. So yes, let's go. Okay, so I was checking the gearbox, and the only thing I can see is this here. It's a little bit worn down. Hopefully it's on camera. You can see the shiny spot there. Okay. And I check in the spare parts that I have, but they are not good neither. So I need to order it, and that's okay. So, anyways, yesterday the owner was here, and he decided he wanted to do the tires and everything. So I'm just gonna make a list and do some ordering, and voila. Yes, and put it to the side, and then yeah, let's see. Okay, yeah, let's keep on going. So let's get at it right now. Let's do the ordering and yeah, put everything to the side, close this one, and then let's see after the ordering and all the computer work what I'm going to do. Yes, let's go. Yesterday I brought this frame for alignment to see if everything is right, and everything is right besides this one. This one must to be redone, but that I knew already. So yeah, that's nice. So next week I'm going to start to do some work frame on this one, and hopefully in August I can start to build this motorcycle slowly and steady, and then who knows, maybe at the end of the year it's done. That's a realistic thought. So let's see. And yes, I still don't get the gears, even though I paid the fee for the aduana. So let's see about that. Right now I need to do some computer work, and when I'm done with it, then I can do a schedule and see what's gonna happen today. So yeah, let's see. Goes a new project. Yes, a new project. Actually, how can I say? I didn't want to get it in because I still have those projects, but I spoke with the owner like this because he wants to ride a bike or think about to keep on riding the bike, maybe sell it later, who knows. But the idea is right now just to make the bike run better. So I need to clean the carburetors and then change the oil, the engine oil, and then just run the bike, test it, and everything what I found that I should be done, I will make a list, give it to him, and then in the future, if he doesn't sell the bike and he wants to still own the bike, then I can fix it for him. But that's what we've spoken. And yeah, because right now I still have the Velocette, as you all know, and the Bonneville and the Queen, and the Queen is the Dominator 500, and yes, still a lot of work still to do. So yes. So yes, tomorrow I'm gonna take the carburetors out, clean them, do some ordering of the parts, and voila. And then hopefully next week put everything back together, and then do a test ride and see how the bike does, and voila. Yes. So right now, what I did today, that I think I didn't film it because I got a call, and then the phone wasn't filming anymore. I did all this back. How can I say? I did all this Okay, and this is from the Norton 850. And yeah, I'm thinking about to put it back on in the frame, but I want to first put the gearbox and then the rest. So let's see. Yes. So it wasn't easy, but I got it out. So yes, they look really dirty. So now let's take everything apart, throw it on the bath, and the inlet. When I was checking the bolts, and one of the inlets is just loose. So I'm gonna take them all apart and check if they are flat too. And the same for here. Besides clean them up, I'm gonna check if they are straight or not. So yeah. Let's see. Let's go. So let's see. I split everything apart. I could see it at the bottom. You can see there is some rust. So I think it's coming from the gas tank because it's everywhere. Let's see, let's try to show it. You can see it there. So it's a lot. It's really a lot. Okay. Here inside, here too. Wait, maybe I put the light on. Wait. Okay, now we have a little bit more light, so let's see. Let's try to show it. There we go. Okay. So that's filthy, really filthy. You can see it. Okay. This one too. So all of it. All the carburetors, all of them are really dirty from the inside. So I guess this line here might be stuck or a little bit stuck. So let's see the lines. I'm going to change them too because let's try to show it. You can see inside they have dirtiness too. So you can see it there. So this and this, I'm going to change them. Those actually they were too loose. You can see it too, and they were leaking a little bit. So yeah, that must be all changed and clean up. And I'm gonna order a new set of those. Those actually they look okay, but anyways, I'm gonna change them. Those, of course, they were really dry and old, so nothing to do here. So yeah, let's put everything in the bath, clean it up, and voila. So I just said like, oh, they don't look that bad. Well, look, that's why you need to change everything. Let's try to show it. Let's see, you can see there. Come on, focus. You can see there the cracks. You see? Really tiny little cracks. So that's why it must be changed. Otherwise, they suck air through those. So now, in the meantime, I'm gonna take those and check how they look, if they are flat or not. They are metal, so they should be flat. And yeah, then I need to do invoice and ordering. So let's go. So let's see. It was really difficult to take them out. They were really dry. So I guess this bike has been at least 10 years still, like not running. I guess it minimum 10 years, because yeah, I can see in the gaskets here. And how was this stuck, loose and stuck? I mean loose because the inlet was loose, but this one, the gasket here, and the one who is from kind of wood, is it was like impossible to take it out, and they were half cracked at the ends. Let's see, this one is leaking, that one is leaking. Then the owner asked me to try to tighten up those because it's leaking here, but actually the leaking is not coming from here, it's coming from the gearbox or the clutch. You can see it here, you can see that it's coming from the back. So it's not from here, but it's from the back. And this one, it goes all the way from the back, comes here, and then it drops. So well, yeah, what I thought. Yes, now the parts are still in the bath, the ultrasound bath. So what I'm going to do now is just do the ordering of the parts and computer work. Put this one to the side, close the inlets so no dust and anything can go in. And I still need to check the cylinders because I want to check them, the inside, if they are wear down or not, because of the thin oil they put in it. So yeah, let's do that first and then put it to the side. Yes, let's do that. Okay. So it's really difficult to show it on the camera, but the grinding looks okay. So somebody did it. Yeah, you can see there. Oh. When it really focuses, then you can really see it good, but really difficult to show it. Only I see that the piston, you can see that there is a lot of oil. So that means that something is using a lot of oil. Yeah, maybe the guide belt, it has some play, or maybe the piston rings, I don't know. But you can see it there. I really need to buy a cylinder camera. But voila. So, voila. Ready to go. Clean, all clean. I blew them up already, but Monday I will just double check everything, all the holes and everything. But they look nice, all the rust and everything is gone. And yeah, now I'm gonna finish up the computer work for these parts, and then voila, just wait for parts and let's see. I hope Friday next week it's running again. Let's see. See you next week. Ciao, ciao.